Hi and welcome back to the Paradise Garage Show. In this second episode we'll take off the heads and look inside the cylinders. As you can see, we took the valve covers off camera. The heads are held on by no less than 12 barrel nuts. The barrel nuts are called barrel nuts because they are rounded on the outside, and for the barrel nuts you use a 8mm hex bit. It's a good idea to treat those barrel nuts to some good penetration oil in good time before you have a go. A good picking magnet is a great thing to have for those drop washers and nuts. Knock on wood, they say, but not in that sense. I prefer to use a regular hammer and a piece of wood. You can also use a plastic hammer or plastic sledgehammer. It's pretty much a matter of taste. I feel I have a bit better control with a regular hammer and a piece of wood in between. As you see, the head comes off fairly easily. Now we get to see the mess inside cylinders 1 and 3. Oh Jesus, this is the better one of the two. Holy crap, I think we need to get another one here. Okay, not a total disaster, I expected worse, but cylinder 1 and 3 is certainly going to need new seats. And here comes the other side. This side was stuck on a little harder, but on the other hand, here I believe the cylinder is going to look a lot better. There are so many different parts here, the 3 cylinders and just as many cylinder heads, it's kind of hard to see where it sticks sometimes. Here you can see that the oil return tubes are coming off with the head. These cylinders look just fine, and the crap inside is just dirt that fell in when I took the head off. This is a trick to keep the cylinders on the case when the heads are off. The nuts should only be finger tight. Treat your nuts and bolts to some WD-40 when you keep them off the engine or other part of the car. Then they won't rust. Next step is to remove the air guides that are used to distribute the cooling more evenly. And that's pretty much it for now. In the next episode we take a closer look at the condition of the cylinders and pistons. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, etc. and we'll see you soon with more stuff from the Paradise Garage. See ya!